Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Airfit F30 frame is probably one of the most essential components for your CPAP therapy, offering a comfortable and secure fit that is crucial for uninterrupted sleep and effective treatment. This frame is designed to work seamlessly with your Airfit F30 mask, ensuring that you receive the full benefits of your CPAP machine without leaks or discomfort. Its innovative design prioritizes user experience, making it a top choice for many CPAP users seeking reliability and ease of use in their nightly routine. Number 5. ResMed Airfit F20 F30 QuietAir Elbow. Experience a quieter night's sleep with our advanced noise reduction technology. The innovative design ensures minimal sound disruption for you and your partner. Designed for both the Airfit F20 and F30 full-face masks, this elbow provides a secure and comfortable fit. Enjoy uninterrupted therapy without compromising on comfort. Keep your CPAP therapy optimal with this easy-to-replace part. Simply swap out the old elbow for a fresh one to maintain peak performance. Trust in the quality and reliability of genuine ResMed parts. This replacement elbow is engineered to meet the high standards you expect. Upgrade your sleep therapy experience with this essential component. It's designed to work seamlessly with your mask for consistent and effective treatment. What we like. Experience whisper quiet therapy with this advanced elbow. It's designed to minimize sound for a more peaceful night's sleep. If you are sensitive to noise or share a bed, this is an excellent choice for undisturbed rest. What people say. The frame is lightweight and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. The magnetic clips make it easy to attach and detach the mask, which is very convenient. The open design of the frame allows for a wide field of vision, making it easy to read or watch TV while wearing the mask. Number 4. Dreamwear Replacement Face Cushion, Large. Experience unparalleled comfort with our replacement face cushion. Designed specifically for your Dreamwear system, it ensures a secure and gentle fit every night. Is your current cushion worn out? This large replacement will bring back the soft, reliable seal you need for uninterrupted sleep. This is the large size cushion, offering ample space and a comfortable fit for those who need it. Enjoy a personalized and effective sleep therapy experience. Swapping out your old cushion is simple and quick. Maintain the optimal performance of your device with this easy-to-install replacement part. A proper seal is crucial for effective sleep therapy. This cushion provides the reliable seal you need to breathe easily and sleep soundly through the night. What we like. This cushion offers exceptional comfort with its soft silicone. It provides a secure seal without uncomfortable pressure points. If you prioritize a gentle feel and a reliable fit for your sleep apnea therapy, this is the cushion for you. What people say. The frame is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to wear for extended periods. The magnetic clips are a great feature, allowing for quick and easy assembly and disassembly of the mask. The minimalist design of the frame provides a clear field of vision, which is beneficial for reading or watching TV while wearing the mask. Number 3. Airfit F20 and F30 Standard Elbow. Ensure optimal performance of your Airfit F20 or F30 mask. This is the standard elbow replacement part. This standard elbow is designed specifically for your Airfit F20 and F30 full-face masks. It's a crucial component for proper function. Keep your therapy consistent with a genuine replacement elbow. This part is made to fit your Airfit F20 and F30 masks perfectly. Replacing the elbow on your Airfit F20 or F30 mask is simple. Ensure a secure fit for uninterrupted sleep therapy. Don't let a worn-out elbow affect your sleep apnea therapy. This standard replacement will help restore your Airfit mask's effectiveness. This is the standard elbow designed for the Airfit F20 and F30 full-face CPAP masks. It's essential for delivering your therapy comfortably. What we like. This is a dependable standard elbow for your CPAP mask. It ensures a secure and stable connection to your tubing. If you need a straightforward, reliable replacement part that gets the job done, this standard option is a solid pick. What people say. The Airfit F30 frame is a good replacement part for the original mask. It fits well and is comfortable to wear during sleep. The magnetic clips make it easy to attach and detach the cushion. Number 2. Elbow Connect F20 F30. Introducing the Elbow Connect, designed for effortless integration with F20 and F30 models. Experience a smooth and reliable connection every time. Specifically engineered to perfectly fit your F20 and F30 devices. This ensures optimal performance and compatibility. Crafted with high-quality materials for lasting durability. You can depend on this connector for consistent and stable performance. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Get your F20 or F30 up and running with this simple connection solution. Upgrade your existing setup with this essential accessory. It's the perfect addition for maximizing the potential of your F20 and F30. What we like. This connector is designed for seamless integration with various mask types. It offers an easy and secure way to attach your mask components. If you're looking for a versatile connector that simplifies setup and ensures a stable fit, this is the one to consider. What people say. The frame is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to wear for extended periods. The magnetic clips are a great feature, allowing for quick and easy assembly and disassembly of the mask. The minimalist design of the frame provides a wide field of vision, which is beneficial for reading or watching TV while wearing the mask. Number 1. MEDICOLOR Airfit F30 Replacement Set. Experience unparalleled comfort with our extra soft strap, designed for ultimate flexibility. It ensures a snug fit, allowing you to sleep more restfully. Our quick disconnect clips simplify the process of putting on and taking off the mask. Enjoy a more convenient and seamless experience every night. Achieve a perfect fit with reliable flexibility and adjustable tolerance. This allows you to customize the strap for optimal comfort and support. We've enhanced the frame design for improved wearing comfort and a better user experience. It's crafted to provide a superior fit. This product is patented, ensuring originality and trusted quality. You can rely on its durability and performance. Get great value with this affordable and reliable replacement set. We are here to help if you have any questions, ensuring your full satisfaction. What we like. Enjoy superior comfort with this extra soft and adjustable headgear. The quick disconnect clips make it incredibly easy to put on and take off. If you value a plush feel, effortless adjustments, and quick mask management, this set is designed for your ultimate comfort and convenience. What people say. The Airfit F30 frame is a great replacement for the original frame, fitting perfectly with the cushion and mask. It's a good value for the price and works just as well as the original frame. The frame is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to sleep with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.